This is a 1955 Chrysler Windsor Deluxe four-door sedan. As such, it would be the base model for Chrysler this year. Brand new car styling. And as you see, it's a rescue. So it was in Missouri, and they found it, and are now offering it for sale at the auction at Zephyr Hills. And it looks pretty complete. Some surface rust here on the fender. And of course, the chrome work would need to be redone in a lot of the cases. Under the hood would be the 301 cubic inch V8. Now there was a bigger engine for the New Yorkers, but this one had 188 horsepower. And you see there's a new fuel pump. So somebody's been working on it. And you see that upper radiator hose has a split in it, so they give you a warning. Don't start the car because you will have a coolant spray all over the place. Notice how the wiring is consolidated there on that block, how they made connections back in the day. And of course it's a 6-volt system. Chrysler didn't get into 12 volts until the following year, 56. And regular brakes. All bath air cleaner and regular generator. What a car, huh? And notice the wraparound windshield, which was a big styling feature for 1955. And the wraparound back window. And very large taillights. Almost a cathedral taillight, really. Starting a trend. And it has dual backup lamps too, as you can see. Big bumpers. And now we're going to open the back door and notice the tricky handle here. Press the one side and the other side pops out and allows you to pull that to open the door. Now the door card here looks very good, but the interior is worse for wear, but you would expect that. But surprisingly, the pieces appear to be there. I think that's a trim piece for the front footwell. I tried to open the ashtray here, but that seems to be frozen in place. Notice how colorful the interior is, even back then. Now we open the front door, and notice they say don't start it up because of the problem with the radiator hose. Now here you can see the front seat there. There's a foam cushion. Foam cushions were pretty well established by this time. Colorful steering wheel, and there you see sticking out of the dash is the selector lever for the Power Flight transmission. Neutral drive, low reverse. With no park position, you had to use the handbrake. And we're going to take a look at the instrument clusters. They're not in very good shape, but they're there. And there you see to the left is the handbrake, which juts out from the dash. I think this would be a cool car to run around in. It's be interesting to know if it does run. Steering wheel's in amazingly good shape. And we're going to take a look around the front of the car again. Days of the oil bath air cleaner. And here we have this side to check. Again, I'm getting pretty good at these door handles here. You can imagine during winter weather when there's freezing rain and so forth, these must not have been too easy to deal with. Imagine those parts getting frozen together. And notice the handles there on the back of the front seat help you get in and out.